everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing today, bringing you the reading for the week starting from the 29th of November till the 5th of December. It's almost the end of the year, and let's see the reading for this week. But before that, request you to please go ahead and like my YouTube channel, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Insta as well as on Facebook. So please go ahead and like my page there. So let's go ahead and start the reading. Again, like I told you, the reading is for the 29th of November till the 5th of December. 29th of November, that is Monday, and the 5th of December, that is the Sunday. So let's go ahead and start with our first sign, and the first sign is sign Aries. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Aries. Let's see how your week is going to be. So this week, before I start the finance, the career, or whatever we do most of the time, let me first tell you, Aries people, there is a very strong indication of some strong woman coming in your life this week. A woman who will guide you, a woman who has the power, has the confidence, has that strive to move ahead. So that's one thing I needed to tell you people. So that's a good sign, of course, someone to guide you, a strong woman who's backing you up. So it's a good thing for people who are looking for the guidance or something. But where your finance is concerned, I do see a normal thing, not a great finance coming or nothing bad going to happen to you. So that's good for finance. Career, yes, there is a growth in the career. I see you moving ahead a little this week where your career is concerned. So whatever you're going to do where your career is concerned this week, I see a victory coming to you. Relations, I told you that there is a woman who is going to come in your life. Also, if I see in general the relationship looks fine. I don't see any problem in the relationship for you coming this week. Health looks fine also. There is no problem for Aries people where your health is concerned. I am extremely very sorry if there is some voice or the noise that is coming in the background. I can't actually do anything about it because there is work going on around me, and it is a noise that they are making by cutting the marbles, and drilling and all those things. So just excuse the noise, please. I'm trying to be as loud as possible. And let's again start our reading. Now we'll do the second sign, and that is the sign Taurus. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. People born under the sign of Taurus, where your finance is concerned, definitely you will see a little bit of movement in your finance. You will be seeing incoming of your finance. So that is a good sign. Growth in the career is seen for the Taurian people. Definitely you will see some growth, increase in some kind of activities in the career field, where you will see a forward moment coming to you. Also, where your relationship are concerned, I see that there is still a wait for the exact thing to happen, or you can say a perfect person to come in your life. So this is not the week for something coming what you were looking for. There is still a wait for your relationship is concerned, or there is still wait for the things or for the emotions that you are looking from the person you are close to. So, and the health looks fine. So Taurian people, there is no health problems this week. Now 3 cards for people born under the sign Gemini. So let's go ahead and do 3 cards for the people born under the sign Gemini. People born under the sign Gemini, just be careful because there is going to be a burden coming to you from the workplace. If I see your workplace, there is more work coming to you, there is more projects coming, or there is more, you can say, clients coming to give you that work. So it's nothing bad, because the work is still coming. But yes, you are going to take a lot of burden, you are going to take a lot of stress where your career is concerned. Relationship, there, yes, definitely I see a growth in a relationship. I see if you are single, there might be a person coming in your life this week, or someone coming whom you will connect where your relationship are concerned. But there is somewhere you will have to balance the relationship with your work, as it is going to be a busy week for you. So you will have to balance the relationship coming to you, the emotions coming to you through relationship with the work. and the stress and the burden coming from your work. So just be very careful about that. Where your finance is concerned, it is a normal week for you, not an increase, not a decrease. I don't see any negative cards, so not a decrease in the finance. Health looks fine, just you will be taking a lot of burden, stress from your work. So maybe a minor stress related issue, maybe a headache or a migraine might trigger. So let's go ahead and do our sign after Gemini, and that is Cancer. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer. For the people born under the sign Cancer, growth definitely seen in the career. There is a power movement coming to you. There will be good news coming from your career side, from your work, where you will see some good news, or you will hear some good news where you will be promoted, or your pay has increased, or some kind of happy notes or happy things coming in your life where your career is concerned. Where your relationship is concerned, I see a wait in your relationship. It is something like you are waiting for the right person to come in your life, or you're waiting for that love in your life, or for that feelings to come. And this is not the week that it is going to come. So this week is still, there is a little bit of wait. So just wait, have patience. It will come to you, but this is not the week that you are going to get that feelings, that people you are expecting where your relationship is concerned. Definitely a card is also suggesting this week is somewhere you will have to donate or feed some needy people, so that way your finance blockage might improve. So there is a blockage in your finance this week. So if you feed a poor, or maybe if you feed the needy or donate something, it would help to remove the blockage from your finance. The health looks fine. I don't see any problems where your health is concerned. So that is a good sign. And relationship, definitely there is a wait, but don't worry, it will come soon. And now we are going to do Leo. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. Okay, for the Leo people, where your work is concerned, be very, very careful. There are a lot of disputes, a lot of quarrel, a lot of arguments. This week is where there is going to be argument, or there is going to be fight, or there will be a verbal fight, you can say, coming from your workplace, maybe between colleagues, or between clients or something. So there will be that kind of issues coming to you this week, where you need to be a little bit in peace, little bit calm, because there are chances that it might flare up, and it might be a bad argument or a fight. Also, where your health is concerned, definitely you have to be careful about your health, because I see some kind of problem coming to you, where mostly it's a problem related to your mind, maybe a depression or sadness or something kind of is going to increase this week. So just be very, very careful. Also in the health card, there is someone who is like a mother figure, or a mother, or someone like a mother to you is going to have some very severe health issues. So just be very careful about that. Where your relationship are concerned, definitely you are blessed this week. So yes, you will see relationship coming to you this week. So that is a good news. There is happiness coming to you where the relationship are concerned. Where your finance is concerned, yes, finance is going to come, but not that much. You won't see too much finance increase, but definitely a little bit of increase will be seen this week, because this is something where it is somewhere where it is a joint project, or maybe there is a joint venture that you have done, and from there you will see that kind of finance coming to you. Now 3 cards for people born under the sign Virgo. So if I see 3 cards for people coming under Virgo, please be very careful about your health, people, because I do see some kind of sorrow, some kind of sadness, emotional setback coming to you, where you might go into the shell, or you might go, you can say, into a depression. So just be very, very careful about those kind of issues. So just try to go out more, just try to meet friends and enjoy, because definitely where your relationship is concerned, I am seeing you're going to meet new people, you are going to enjoy. There is a couple of parties that you're going to go this week, so that way the group gathering or something is there, but somewhere there are chances that from this something might come that will make you sad, or that will make you remember of your past or something like that, and that might cause you some kind of issue where your emotions are concerned. So just take care about that. Also, this week is a week where you're going to get a lot of dreams, and your sleep might be disturbed a little bit. So just so I think overall, if I see your health, it is more of stress, more of worries, more of your dreams that will make you think too much. So just be very careful about it. Try to stay calm, try to stay happy this week. Where your finance is concerned, definitely the finance is there. I'm seeing the finance, but some blockages is coming your way where the finance has been stuck. So I would suggest you donate something, or you feed the poor or something that might push that finance ahead a little bit, so that it starts moving forward for you. So you see changes in your finance. Definitely finance is there, but it has stopped coming to you. Somewhere the blockage is coming. So just try to get rid of the blockage by donating something to needy people or whoever needs it, basically. So a relationship looks good this week. Finance is at a stop, so just push it a little by donating something to the poor or whoever needs it, and it shall get that push and move ahead. Health, just be very, very careful about your health this week. Health is the main thing that you have to worry about. Other things look fine. Have patience and everything will be fine. So now 3 cards for people born under the sign Libra. If I see the cards for Libra, definitely there is going to be something that is coming your way, like a celebration, or maybe someone is going to buy a new house, new property, or something like this. That kind of function, so there is an enjoyment coming your way, maybe a marriage or something like that. So this is a week where you will enjoy that kind of celebration. Also, where your relationship are concerned, you are very, very satisfied with your relationship, so you are not going or welcoming any new relationship this week. You're quite satisfied and you don't want any more relationship coming to you this week. So you are quite satisfied and you're not welcoming any new relationship. Where your growth is concerned, definitely a growth in your career, your work is there, but there is little bit of negativity that will affect you this week. So try to be positive and try to protect yourself this week from the people around you who are not your well-wishers. Also, I see a travel coming to you this week. Maybe travel with your family. You're going to travel somewhere, maybe to meet your family or with family, but definitely a travel is coming. Where your health is concerned, I don't see any health problems coming to you this week, so health looks fine. Finance also is normal, not an increase or a decrease in your finance coming this week. So now we are going to go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. So if I see people born under the sign Scorpio, where your relationship are concerned, I do see a very, very strong relationship coming to you. Definitely where a woman coming in your life, where if a man is looking for a relationship, there is definitely someone strong woman who is going to come into your life, who's going to guide you, who's going very strong headed and help you in your work, career, as well as your life. So that's a good thing. Also, I do see there are a lot of obstacles coming in your life this week. It is in the form of maybe people, or is in form of some kind of you can say people, or their thinking, or whatever that is going to make you a little bit tense this week. So Scorpion people, just be very, very careful. You are trying to fight all of them. You're trying to fight the stress coming from them. You are going to fight the thoughts coming from them. So this week is going to be a little harsh on you, but so you might be a little tired. So just be very, very careful. But definitely where your relationship are concerned, you are going to be supported by a strong woman. So you have a support of a strong woman this week. Also, where the finance is concerned for the Scorpion people, it is very, very you can say difficult to see a finance. Whatever you have been waiting for, whatever investment you have been waiting for this week is not possible. I don't see it coming to you this week, so there is still a wait, you can say. But this week also suggests that there is something that you are doing right now, that you are maybe trying to shut down, or this is a week where your new beginning is going to start somewhere. So whatever you are doing or whatever relationship in you, so it is related to overall. So maybe if your relationship, this is a week where your relationship, you want to cut off with that relationship and start a new, or maybe a work that you want to totally shut it down and start something new. So definitely this week is where you will see something new, guidance coming to you, a new path that you're going to choose this week somewhere, which is something like, just deleting or stopping whatever you are doing totally and starting new. So health looks okay. Health is not an issue here. Everything looks fine. So that's it for Scorpions. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. So let's go ahead and do 3 cards for the people born under the sign Sagittarius. For the people born under the sign Sagittarius, let me tell you, this is the week not for relationship for you guys, because I see a heartbreak coming to you. So just be very, very careful if you are planning to go into a new relationship this week. This is not the week for new relationship. Just be very, very careful for it. Or people already in a relationship might have a little bit of setback or might see a heartbreak this week. So just be very, very careful. Also, where your emotions are concerned, relations are concerned, this is not a week, because this is a week that is going to bring, where your relations and emotions are concerned, a little bit of worry, a sadness, a sorrow to you. So this week is a little bit there, but definitely, maybe this sorrow is caused, the heartbreak is caused, but you will travel somewhere where your relationship are concerned, or maybe you are going to travel somewhere with your family is concerned, maybe a small travel, but definitely it's coming this week to you. Career, yes, career growth I see coming to you this week. A forward moment is coming. You will hear some good news from your work. So, career is on a move this week. Finance, I don't see any increase or a decrease this week. So finance looks fine. But your health, yes, health, I would say you need to be little careful, be little happy and be little joyful, because this week might cause you a little bit of setback kind of a thing, a sorrow kind of a thing that might take you into depression. So just be very, very careful about your health. So now we are going to do 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. So 3 cards for the people born under the sign Capricorn. People born under the sign of Capricorn, this week is a week where you're going to be very strong, very positive, and you are on the move this week. So definitely a growth in the career, growth in the finance coming to you. I don't see any problems where your finance goes. Yes, but due to that positivity and due to that growth and your confidence, there are a lot of people around you who will not be happy with you this week. So you will have to stay protected, because there are a lot of negativity that will come around you this week. But where your career is concerned, or where your finance is concerned, the energy is concerned this week is very, very strong. So you are totally on the positive side this week, but you have to protect yourself to not let any negative energy affect you, because I do see a negative card. So be very, very careful about the people who are not well wishers, or if you go somewhere where you feel the negativity, try to stay away from that and try to be positive and protective. Growth, definitely career growth is there. You are so confident this week, so your ideas, your you can say thoughts is well appreciated this week where your work is concerned. So there is definitely, I can see a growth in your career too. Health, just be very careful, like I told you, from the negativity, and I don't see a major health issues coming to you this week. So now 3 cards for Aquarius, people born under the sign Aquarius. 3 cards for them. People born under the sign of Aquarius, just be very, very careful, I'll say, about the people who are not your well-wishers. Again, they might backstab you, they might do something behind your back that you totally do not know about. You can say a negative thing, they might realize it later on. It's going to be a great shock to you. So something might happen this week that will create a shock and unbelievable thing, you can say. Some friend or some person who's very close to you might backstab you. Also, where your health is concerned, I would like you to take it slow this week, because there are chances you might hurt your leg or your feet, or there is a leg pain, or you might break your knee or something like that related to leg. So just try to walk slowly and carefully, and don't fall, please. Also, a good thing where your relationship are concerned, I see some good news coming, like if someone is trying to be pregnant, or if someone is already pregnant, they might have a baby this week, or some good news related to baby is surely coming to the people born on the sign Aquarius. Very, very careful about the arguments or fight, exactly, in the sense that issues related to work, or your relationship might come up this week, where there is a little bit of argument and fight that might be created. So just be very, very careful this week not to take it easy, and keep your eyes and ears open around you. That way you will be stay protected, as well as you will know what is happening around. So that's it for Aquarius. Let's do 3 cards for our last sign, and that is Pisces. People born under the sign Pisces, where your relationship are concerned, a good week for your relationship. I don't see any problems coming. You are going to cherish the relationship you already have. So some positive things happening in your relationship, definitely. A very fast and furious, you can say, move coming where your career growth is concerned. So you are going to move very fast, and you will see that like going your career move going forward in a very fast way, kind of a things. Definitely finance is you will see finance growth this week, and the finance growth that you want, basically, that you have been waiting for, will come to you this week, where definitely whatever you have expected in the last few weeks or last few months, all things might not come to you this week. A little bit of weight is still showing. So yes, definitely you are moving ahead very strongly where your career is concerned, and do see your finance coming, but not as much as you have expected. But there is a weight, and definitely there will be a growth coming to you in the further weeks, which your cards tell you. But yes, it is not a bad week for you. There is relationship, there is career growth, and there is finance definitely coming to you this week. So that is all for this week. We are done with the cards. We'll be coming with another short video this week with any topic that will be helpful to everyone. But till then, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Insta as well as on Facebook, so please go ahead and like my page there too. And I hope everyone is okay. Stay safe, stay positive, and stay blessed, and love you all.